This is Pharaoh's House.
This Podisode was sponsored by listeners Raymond Koch and Patreon patron Michelle McFarren. What's in a dream? Dreams, what do they mean to you? Are they visuals presented in your so-called mind for your personal pleasure, personal terror, personal edification, personal confusion? Or are they the sum of all your experiences from past to present and potential? The answer is yes to each option. Now, ponder your breathing. Is your breathing autonomic or automatic? Meaning, can it be controlled or limited intentionally? If you answered it's autonomic, as in not within your control at all, then how do you explain speaking or holding your breath at will? Breathing is an automatic function in that while it happens without conscious efforts, we still do regulate it when able to do so. Regardless, if we choose to control it or ignore it, breathing is a vital function for life that we should be optimizing all the time. Now, replace the word breathing with the word dreaming. Do you think of dreaming also as a vital function for life? You're partially correct if you said yes, it is, and here's why. Dreaming is not only vital function for this life, dreaming is also vital for the entrance into realms beyond these worlds, or rather this world. So many complete this existence incompletely, never knowing, never realizing those requisite facets of their journey, including, most importantly, dream language. Learning and knowing dream language is like removing a blindfold well before falling off or walking off a steep cliff. Everyone living, every living being needs to breathe in some capacity. When you breathe, do you want to breathe with purpose and power, or do you want to passively respire? When you dream, are you a passive bystander watching a foreign language movie minus subtitles, or are you both an active participant and also a self-aware observer? Sometimes you are each of these. You start somewhere. You crawl before walking. So watch those foreign movies for now, but know that you will not only know your dreams, you will also become the architect of your dreams.